We're now at the third floor for room 362, our home in Novotel, India. Knock knock.
Hey, welcome.
Hi, Alan. Is this our room?
Yeah.
Hello, Balash Krishna.
Barak is
Okay, hello. Nice room.
yeah.
Oh, two separate beds. Good. Ayaw tumabi sa ilan. Charot.
Hey.
So let's open this. How do you open this?
It's hot.
Oh, pangit naman ng view. Okay. Okay lang.
Look at the toilet. This is the laundry. I do have laundry, okay? These are. Alright.
So this is toilet. Wow, all in glass. God.
Would you know if what time would the program start?
Wala yun sa alam.
Yeah.
Atanin natin yung harap. Yung taga-harap.
And the price is
Nice. Hindi naman ang ano to.
Thank you very much. Have a good day. See you later. Shit! Te! Mamaya dapat naka-light sa tapos
Oh,
shower
Ay,
time.
salamat. Pinakahanap ko bidet. I love it.
Oh my God.
Oh,
Picture.
shower.
Huwag mo nang galawin.
So, pa yung shower, picturean.
Oy, walang magla-lights off ba?
No hotel. Bakit ka mag-lights off?
Hindi, I mean kung may naliligo sa loob tapos nag-lights off sa labas. Siyempre, kita sa loob. Yung silhouette. Mamaya may ginagawa ko. Wala
Ano yung binuksan niya kanina? Ating cabinet?
Oo, pwedeng... Buksan mo yan. Hi.
Oh my God! Nandiyan ka sa kabila? Shit! Ibig sabihin diretso na. Oh my God! Shit! Gaga, nakulang ito ng picture. Video ito, langya ka.
Diba?
Oh shit! Libing tubig! Finally! Ano, what is this? Mini bar. Mong dal. Indian snacks. Okay. Yun. Ano naman? Indian snacks. Cash secret in mixture, whatever. Ito, sabi niya. Mouth watering mix of fried Indian snacks. Ito naman.
Ay, mainit.
All-time salted snack of fried mong lentils. Ibig sabihin mongo. Mong. Pringles. Delicious kasoys. Oh, wow. They have sugar. They have Nestle. What is this? A creamer. It's cream. Nescafe, Sunrise. They have Twinings! My favorite tea. Okay. And then the water. Aquafina. Ayan. Ayun. Mayroong maliit na refrigerator. Paano ba to? Ay, paano ba ito? Ayun. Uy. Uy, may maliit na tanduay. Ayun. Oh, ayan. Tropicana. Paano kaya yan? Tignan natin ang presyo, ha? Let's look at the prices. Oh, ang beer, tag 250.
I-charge sa atin yun.
Charge sa atin. Energy drink, 250. Ang kasoy, 250. Putang na itong kasoy na yan, 250 na yan. Ang chips ito, 150 rupees, which is more or less 120 pesos. Condoms?
Saan?
Oo.
Saan?
Lang.
Condoms 50?
Condoms, tag 50.
Saan yung condoms
Saan
yan?
condom? Baka ito. Set Nestle. Saan ang condom gaga?
Condoms. Ang galing
Gago. So ito, nandito ang... so how do you turn on the TV?
Shit, i-Instagram ko yung condoms na yan.
Okay, so ayun. That's it. Oh wait. Ito muna ito. Video. What is this? Ah, okay. Paano ba main? Ay! Yun. Saksak. Okay. Parang ang dilim.
Dapat i-highlight ng ato.
Hindi, dapat iwan natin itong mga ilaw. Ito, ano ba ito? Yan. Yun. Yun, nice. Oh. Ganda na ng room namin.
Ay, can you take a picture of me?
Sure, honey.
Remove the flash there. Ito.